Hi guys, today I've got a quick 2-minute sleek chignon bun hair tutorial for you. To start, I'm just going to add some smoothing cream all over the hair. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. So just massage it into your hands and spread it evenly throughout the hair. Then brush the hair into a low ponytail and secure with an elastic band. Hold on to the ponytail at the base with one hand and hold on to the middle of it with the other. Then with the hand at the base, we're just going to rotate this underneath to create a loop and bring the ends over to the opposite side. Secure on the left hand side with a few bobby pins. And with that top section, I'm just going to give it a couple of twists towards the head and bring it down towards the right hand side, and again secure with a couple more pins. With the tail ends, I'm just going to sweep these underneath, tuck them in, and then just secure again with a few more bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.